So whenever you actually go ahead and create out Google Task and then assign a time, let's say for example, I have set the meeting to tomorrow, let's say for example, then what happens is that they automatically get allocated in Google Calendar. For example, over here you can see that today I got 2 pending tasks and I can go ahead and check off the task right here and it gets updated out right here under completed. And apart from that, you can see that tomorrow there is a meeting. But let's say I want to assign a particular time to the meeting. In that case, you can go around, remove tomorrow, and then let's say, for example, select out a particular date and set the time right here just like this and press OK. Once you do that, around over here, you can see the meeting right here. The task has been assigned. You can go around over here and let's say, for example, click and drag this out and update the time in calendar. And then you can see that it gets updated over here as well. If you want to learn more about how to work with Google Calendar, you can go ahead and then check out my tutorial series on how to use Google Calendar as well. So basically this is what you have, and as you make, let's say for example, an event in Google Calendar right here, and if you were to set it out to task right here, then you can choose the task that you have in Google Task. So let's say I have my home task and I'm going to go ahead and say buy a rug right here. So let me just click on save right here. So this is a task. And if I were to go around over here, you can see that buy a rug is now a task right here. And now if you were to go ahead and set it to repeat right here, so I can go around over here. Let's say for example, I can go ahead and repeat it weekly on Monday and click on save. And once you do that, you can check it off right from over here. You can mark as incomplete, or you can see that this is what I have. I got the tasks listed out right here just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize Google Tasks with Google Calendar by integrating them from one another right here easily, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.